Hi there, I'm Chloe Crabtree from CelebrateAndDecorate.com. Welcome to Hometalk. I have set my table with a white tablecloth, and because I am going to be using some fresh fruit that I've cut, I've taken a white throw that I sometimes use on a table and folded it over because I don't want that sticky sugar from the fruit on my good tablecloth, okay? So I'm going to start out with some foliage for my centerpiece. And I want you to I like to use artificial foliage because I know that it's clean and not going to have any bugs. If you want to use foliage from your yard, please make sure that it doesn't have any pesticides on it and that it's clean. You can dunk it in water to make sure that it's clean. You want to make sure that you don't, you're not sitting there dining with people and all of a sudden, bugs are crawling on the table. That would not be fun. So I just picked up these leaves that had a little bit of pink on them. I thought this is a great idea, not just for any spring brunch, but this would be a great idea for Easter. And I'm just going to lay these right down the middle of my runner. I am using some big sherbet colored artificial peonies that I will tuck in like that. Now I'm going to start nestling my fruit in among the foliage, and then I will finish off with more of the silk flowers. So I have some of these cut so it really exposes the pretty colors, and I want to make sure that I have some on each side. These are my ones that are not cut. It's probably not the prettiest grapefruit there, but the oranges are just so pretty, aren't they? And the dragon fruit are so interesting. I guess I have a couple more oranges there that I didn't cut. And I got pink grapefruit, and the blood oranges, of course, are so pretty. We're just gonna add those all up and down with the lemons and the limes. Now that I have all my citrus down, I'm going to add some more of these artificial blooms. Same thing as with the foliage. It's nice to know that I am not putting anything on the table by food that has pesticides on it. I loved these little sherbet colored ranunculus. And all of these came from Michael's if you're interested, okay? The spring colors though, I thought looked so nice. I'm going to tuck these in all along here to add a little more color to our table. And then I will go about setting the table. So my centerpiece is all finished with the pretty flowers tucked in with the fruits. And now we're going to set the table. I have had these for quite a while. These pretty hydrangea leaf or hydrangea petal placemats, and I'm going to set this table for 6. Like I said, this is just going to be a brunch, so it's going to be very simple. I'm going to set these right out, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with dishes. This is not actual jadeite. What this is a salad plate, and there was a whole collection from the Pioneer Woman available at Walmart. Occasionally I see pieces at Walmart still, but I don't think that they are available right now. You never know when you're going to find something good. So I'm going to take my white salad plates and a solid yellow napkin. It's folded in half. I'm going to fold it in half again and just fold it right over top of the dinner plate. And then I'm just going to set my salad plate right on top of it. And I just think this goes really well with the Tablescape and the whole idea. Like I said, I just thought that this is kind of a sherbet colored, springy and perfect for brunch. And again, this is just brunch, so all I'm setting my table with is a knife and a fork, and then I will show you the stemware in just a minute. I'm going to add my stemware, cut crystal for the water glass, and just traditional champagne glasses for our mimosas that we're going to set up our mimosa bar. I'm just going to add those, and our table is all set and ready to invite friends to a lovely brunch. I hope you like my citrus-inspired tablescape, which is perfect for a springtime brunch. And I look forward to seeing you again the next time right here on Home Talk. Okay.